Pretty much. You just did, a bitch.
Dude, why did hold me a bit?
I'm good.
Stop it.
Will you stop it?
I don't want to know what you're doing in the background. Good
No,
job,
no.
bitch. Good shot. Hard job.
Your mama's house. Dun, dun, dun,
I would love to know why this magically quit broadcasting. Hold up.
Okay. Well, are you broadcasting on Twitch? What is it?
I'm broadcasting on Twitch, but this shit won't work.
Okay, go ahead.
We're gonna have to actually shut the fuck up. I don't know where the fuck we're dropping. You gotta give me a second. I'm trying to start back up this broadcast.
Well, I need to post a YouTube video. I need to. Alright.
Am I still broadcasting?
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh, I am. Okay, where we dropping?
Oh, damn.
How you gonna mark a spot and then be late on jumping out?
Because I was checking my broadcast. Shut up.
I'm landing up on top of this mountain. I don't know if this is where you marked. Yeah, it is. Alright, I'll land, cause there's only one place here. I'll land at the back. I'll land over here. 55.
What, them houses over there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hopefully no one lands over there.
Okay, I don't know if there's any good loot here. I just kind of marked one.
Someone's gonna join my stream and I'm just gonna be eating and like, what the hell?
What the hell is that noise?
I'm leaving.
Oh, hell no. I'm out this bitch.
Would you rather have a lot of lag but have a scar, or have no lag and only have a pistol? Alright, that was a great conversation.
What? I was so
Down in my building.
I was so damn confused.
I said, would you rather have a scar with a lot of lag, or have a pistol with no lag?
A pistol with no lag.
Well, that's what I'm having. Pistol with a lot of lag.
Nah, because everybody's dying.
Hey, I got a sniper rifle, extended mag.
Okay, just keep it.
And there's level 2 backpack.
Oh,
And there's level 2 helmet.
I'm coming to get that shit because you nigga, you
That dude
straight,
looked
bro?
at me funny.
You straight, my dude? Are you straight?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
The book bag's in the little small house, 5. The helmet is in the building north, the big building. Guys, I'm sorry to say, but the person named Dylan Cord, he's not straight.
Man, shut your mouth, Night Colt.
This is all we left in. We just didn't want to say the word.
Yeah, I didn't want to say the bad word, but you know, I gotta do what men gotta do.
Words.
You say another word, Night Colt. Swear to God.
I was gonna say something. I thought I heard like a vehicle, and I looked both ways, and I stopped, and he said, "If you say so." But there was no vehicle. Record? You picked a shit spot to land, that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, I got good guns out of my drop.
I don't got shit, I got a pistol.
Come here.
Shut up.
I got you something. Come here.
No, I don't want it.
No, I got you something. Like, no, you're really gonna like it. I promise.
What is it? Let me
you
see
find-
from afar.
You find out.
I can't see from that far.
The UMP.
Supply drop. Turn and drop right here. What's this? On import stock.
Nico, come here.
This is my habitat. Drop it outside. Let me see what it is. Drop it outside. I said outside. That's not outside.
There you go.
I can't tell from a single shit. Woo! Thank
All you gotta do is a chest, man. I was gonna give you a gun.
Shit. Dude, the only bad thing is I can't see how much ammo I have. I gotta move the thing over somewhere.
Yeah, that's why I hate to on Twitch, cause that shit that comes in them way.
Can you move it or get rid of it? Is there any way to do that?
I don't know. No,
Shit, I can tell how much ammo I have or any damn thing.
There's 2 mags, so you probably got like 30 something. Nigel, just hit pause. Yeah, I gotta hit pause. I got more for you if you want it. Yeah, I got 30 rounds.
Okay. I'm moving up to these houses right now.
Yeah, I just picked up.
I actually think I might switch over to Mixer because I can actually get this thing out of my way. Even though I could just press pause, but I really like to know what I have and shit.
Go right ahead, I'll cover you.
Yeah, after this game, I'm probably gonna switch over to Mixer.
I feel yes, dude.
Are you switching over to Mixer, or are you just gonna stay on Twitch?
No, I've been on Twitch. I've been on Mixer, not on Twitch. But that Nigel, all right. I know that we play this game PUBG a lot, but half of the time, like when you take a break, like when you play PUBG and Minecraft, like I want to make a world, like a straight survival world, like the world that we have on, like the one that we made before, the one in that village. I want to play for real, like trying to get the diamonds, get everything, and trying to build like a nice city for us, just us two. Then we can actually like beat the dragon or some bullshit like that. It's gonna take a while, but I never done it before, so. I mean, like on my free time, I'll go in there and play it, but.
Not get hit by a vehicle.
Bro, it's been stupid. If I fall down, a boat hits me. I'll be really upset. Get the fuck out of my way.
No! Damn it. I had a feeling that you were gonna do that, but I was hoping you wouldn't.
You wanna go on the bike and go straight to the circle?
Yep.
Let's go. Go.
Everyone knows.
You say that? You back to that?
Hey, you want this Dossie?
Hell yeah.
I'll back up and right now. Yeah, yours can't do flips like mine. No! Not enough air! Not enough air! You see nothing. Very good. You just don't look down at the bottom of my health. I thought I was gonna get a decent amount of air off of that, so I was like, backflip! I pulled all the way back and I just went, boop.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm here looking, bro. Okay, that's one.
Oh, I did it again!
Don't die, please, sir.
Hey, is your med kit in there?
Oh, damn. Sorry, gun. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. No, don't. Fuck. No, I got something for you. If you really want it. I got, some painkillers, some painkiller thingies.
Oh, I got energy drinks. I'm using them now.
I got one more building.
That was a
damn.
shit show just now happened.
Hey, if you want, in my building there's another gun with ammo in here. With another UMP.
I'll gladly take the UMP ammo.
Should I, hold on, question. Should I drop my, disc gun, Tommy gun for that gun?
I don't know. It's up to you. Go for it. If you are, I'm gonna move to the top end. I'm riding with you because we're near your circle. And my bike's smoking and I might have rolled it a few times. I don't know how it starts smoking. Don't ask me. I don't know. They have level 2 ammo. You good?
Players.
You drive off with our dogs?
No.
Alright, you good? I'm moving back to my building now. Sorry.
I popped the tire, I think. As I was trying to, try to fuck tire up. Yeah, buggy going in on top. Are you building?
In my building?
Go, hurry up. We gotta go. Circle's coming.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's right here at us. It's gonna eat us.
Go!
It's gonna eat us.
Picked up an M16.
Yeah, it's in here. A lot of vehicles that this
Oh
is
my
red.
goodness, this Twitch thing's really annoying me. This game got to know for a second. The Switch shit, we were in mixer. Hey, there's a buggy over there. 105 driving. I still don't even have a scope. Oh, they're gonna stop at tunnel. Yep. I'll go down first.
Just get ready to shoot though. Hey, yeah, I'll stay right side.
I don't see him. Right here. See my orange behind you?
Hey,
Got enough gas. Watch both sides. Good as us.
I'm bending it all the way up. I'm going back.
Level to the helmet and a level 2 back right there. Oh shit, the explosion is really enormous. I'll see him coming in from either direction. I lit his ass up.
Hey, on me, there's a whole bunch of ammo. For a UMP, 180, and something else. Okay, cover my ass. Cover me real quick. I'm gonna go push the load helmet. And it's best. Hey, right here.
Hey,
I have vest right here.
I already have one, but just to make sure. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start pushing back out the way that we came in.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, bro, I would love to participate.
Oh. Hey, 2 4-time scopes.
This dude was stacked on 4 times.
Yeah.
I need a 5.56 really bad. You can take the
Get it.
energy.
Get it. Everything's all yours. You can have everything now. I want to take that med kit though.
I'm
Yes.
not-
Never mind. Hold on. I need to heal real quick.
Oh shit, Cord, here. I don't know if the SKS will take that, but here's an extended mag for a sniper rifle. I don't know if it'll take that. It might. I dropped it right here,
Yeah, well.
like in the ground.
Who the fuck is that? Oh, here it is.
10 seconds. Oh, dude, I probably should have grabbed that red dot. Shit, I don't have a
Oh,
scope for my
fine.
UMP.
Uh,
Yeah, I'll be good. Alright, you can drive the Dacia if you want, and then I'll just drive in the buggy.
dude, where was the team that whole time ago?
Yeah, I don't know. Dude, you dropped his teammate so damn quick. I lit that one dude up. Yeah, I lit him up. I about had him. So he was already pretty lit. And then I didn't even get to shoot his teammate and he was already dead. Cause you meet faster. Oh shit! Don't get out. Okay, I thought all this place was being looted. Oh shit.
I'm pushing into it anyways.
Dude, that dude was stacked on 4 times. That's all I know.
Hey, ammo for
Sounds like
UMP.
fighting behind us. Dude, I already got so much. I kind of don't even want to take it.
I'll,
Look at 180 and 167.
oh, here, hey, come here.
I would love to know where that.
Here.
Well, that dude was dropping.
What the?
I 4 times.
I just took damage. Jesus Christ. Here, hold on.
Go ahead and use a painkiller.
Here. There you go.
Oh yes. Holy shit! I kind of want to go over here and investigate what the hell's going on. It's like right over on this other side of this mountain a little.
Hey, by the way, I put a 4-time scope on my M4 2C.
Yeah.
So I just gave my red dot sight. So if you find another one, just let me know.
Okay.
Let's stay on foot. Hey, let's stay on foot.
They're here. I just don't know where.
I see him. Contact.
Oh, yep. Take shots.
I'm pushing down past you. I'm pushing down right past you. I'm gonna lay back down.
Moving down the hill.
Okay, I lost contact with them. I don't know where they went. I said same contact.
In a window. In the window west.
Hit him once. Hey, we got 2 minutes to push back to the vehicle. So, same window. He's behind the door. Alright. We got 2 minutes.
Moving up on his ass.
There's 2 of them, so. Hey, I'm going far left.
I'm going far right. Oh, yep, I see him.
Okay, take shot. You gotta take shot, shoot.
He looked like he was pushing back more. Dead. Dead.
Dead. Okay.
Yeah. I said dead a few times just so I would get it clear. Dead. At a UMP. Ooh, mine. You already have one. And he had a Jeep right here.
Alright, good.
He had a lot of ammo and shit. Uh, 30 seconds.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm just gonna go and be sitting in the Jeep.
Okay, right now.
Both rocking M4s. I watched that dude. I saw the Jeep, so I laid down, just kind of watched the Jeep, and he ran straight past the Jeep, and I was like, is there something wrong with the Jeep? And I lit him up and down, and I killed him. And then I
Dude,
looked at the Jeep.
this
So
far bad. I'm gonna start going hard somewhere. We find somewhere to get hard.
I would say a cross bridge, but you know for 100%. Oh shit. There's people of the city. I'll be pushing that thing.
I'm not. I'm big dog. One, there's Loki. There's nowhere to. It's looking hotter right now.
Whee!
We're fucking. Who was fucked? Find a boat. Is that one out there?
So do you just want to go ahead and swim across right now? Because you know it's probably going to end up on that side. So do we just go ahead and keep start swimming across?
Hey, and straight in front of me, now is there's a boat.
Trying to look where the stand supply drop landing, but you kind of can't because your camera just goes instantly underwater.
Yeah, hey, swim on the water by the way too.
Oh yeah. Right beside or anything, I'm just saying that. There's
And
probably.
Hey, I'm pushing her. I'm going to straight the boat by the way. Straight the boat. Because look, so we can get on that boat and we can drive straight around it and get on the very far side. Look. This is your call. We can get on the boat.
This is your call. I don't really care. I'm just kind of swimming across and kind of following you.
I know. I'm saying
This is all up to you.
Okay, look, if you look on the map on the very far right side, the circle closes.
Get on the boat, then go to the other side and lay down. We both got. Oh shit. We're getting shot at.
I'm fucking aware, but. Oh,
Up
boat.
top.
Oh, no, boat. He's on boat. He's on boat.
Oh shit, nice. I didn't even know you was on the shore, bro. Smart, I explained though. Teammate right there, cause they're dead and that's top of the boat. Yep. You one smart motherfucker.
Bro, I swear, I stood there on the boat shooting at it. I'm like, okay, that's a fucking bad idea.
I thought they were up top. I really thought they were up top.
I did too.
Then you're like on a boat. I see the boat. I don't see anyone. I'm like, what the hell? Then you get on the shore. I'm like, you're smart. Who's the other teammates here? Oh, right here. Halfway in the boat, halfway up.
You can take anything you want to. I'm getting the boat. Hey, I'm just I'm so scared. I'll put all 3 seats right now. I got on land. Players, on land.
That's a very smart idea of going
See
short.
him? See him? Running?
Yep.
That shit's loud. Oh, shit.
Do they see us?
They probably
Yes,
do.
they see us.
Well, who else can make that? Alright.
I'm just trying to get to a little bit higher ground. So.
Okay, we got
Hey,
a-
145. You see him? $145. Knocked him.
He's
Thank
dead.
you. I was gonna take the last shot and... Bro, I don't know what the hell it is. My game is just not letting me reload. It was doing that on the boat.
Double tap it.
It'll let me reload, but I gotta like smack the shit out of the X button. And like hold it down, but it's like,
Where's his teammate at though?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering about.
Hey, I'm low-key crawling into circle right now, so...
Yeah, I'm crawling. If it gets down to it, I'll just either do something. I like his teammates. Or we have. Oh shit. I don't know where.
Oh no, I'm not all the way though,
Holding
huh?
it. I'm
Yeah,
just holding it.
yeah, go ahead. I'm healing all the way. I'm gonna take a pain pill. I'm coming. This oh, I see him.
Behind the tree, 145, I think.
I see him. Hey,
Forward circle.
Cover me, shoot him.
John.
No, wait, dude, he's hurt. Like, he's behind the tree. He's a warren tree closer to us. He's running. He's ready.
Well, he's gonna have to move up.
Yeah, he did. He ran out.
I see him moving in the street. Hit him.
How did he go?
He's pretty damn lit. See him moving in? Back up.
What are you doing? Shoot him. What are you doing? He laid down the very front of the car. That's where I saw him last. Fuck. Just hide somewhere good. Hey,
I'm playing this game different. Last game that I lost, I had shots on people that I wasn't taking, so I'm gonna start taking more shots.
Okay, hey. Calm the fuck down. There's three. One, I think one versus two. You see him? They're two. They're in front of you. To take shots. Hard though, like. Hey, get in circle. Okay, so they got pushed you. Get somewhere hard. Get somewhere good because they got pushed to you. Okay, you see him though. Just wait. No, look to your left, right. You see him running, right. Okay, hey, they're both in front of you. Okay, hey, they're not in circle, Come on. Get down, reload. Come on, boy. Shoot him. Let's go, Michael.
Let's go!
Let's go. Good fucking job, boy.
4 kills.
I had 4 too. Good fucking job, my dude. Good, hell of a job. Good.
Oh my
fucking
goodness.
job. See, you done it. You said last game you take no shots. See the circle? I said push the circle because circle it was on you.
Yeah.
Good fucking job.
I'm really getting pissed off though because